everyone, welcome to our AP Chem tutorial on using a BCA table to determine limiting and excess reactants. Let's just go through a problem. If a container were to have 10 molecules of O2 and 10 molecules of NH3 initially, how many total molecules would be present after the reaction was complete? So our first step, like I said before, is to check if our equation is balanced. So let's see, we have 4 nitrogens on either side, which is good. 12 hydrogens here, 12 here, 10 oxygens here, and 4 plus 6 is 10, so we have a balanced equation. So that means we can continue on to our BCA table. Like I said before, we have to, actually we can just put in our molecules right into the BCA table. Only if it's grams, then we have to convert it to moles. So we have 10 molecules of O2, so I can put that here since it's a reactant. And 10 molecules of NH3 initially, okay. And we know that we start off with 0 molecules of product. And now we have to determine which one is the limiting and which one is the excess reactant. So let's look at the coefficients right here. So we have 10 molecules for every 5 moles of O2. And here we have 10 molecules for every 4 moles of NH3. So that gives us a ratio of 2 to 1. And a ratio of 2.5 to 1. Since the ratio is smaller here, this is our limiting. So we are going to subtract all of this because this is what gets used up completely. And that will give us 0 O2 in the end. And let's go over here too. So since this is the limiting, not all of this will be used up. And since this is a 2 to 1 ratio, we have to put a 2 to 1 ratio here too. So our 2 to 1 ratio would be -8, which would leave us with 2 molecules of NH3 in the end. Let's go over to our product side. Like we have the same coefficient here, we can add the same amount of molecules. And then we have 6 as our coefficient here, and that would make it plus 12 molecules here, leaving us with 8 NO and 12 H2Os. So like the problem says, we have to, after the reaction is complete, we have to add together these, but we also have to keep in mind that there's reactants left over, so we add that to our total, which leaves us with 22 molecules left over.